What is that?
I don't know. Let's go and check it out. Ruby, is that an alien spaceship?
My name is Shaz from the planet Zamzu. This is my family, Plaz, Maz and Gaz. I was flying home to be with them for Bloop Blop Day when my ship's engines broke. They'll block their creme locks if I miss it.
What's block their creme locks mean?
It involves crying, a lot of twirling around and a very large frog.
Don't worry, you won't miss Bloop Blop Day, Shaz. We'll get your ship down for you.
Oh, goody. An incoming call from my family.
I'm sorry, Shaz. If you miss Bloop Blop Day, the children will be so sad they'll surely block their crab locks.
Do not worry, Plaz. Rusty and Ruby of Earth will fix my ship. Bling dong.
Bing bong.
The Space Pusher 2000.
It is indeed amazing, Rusty of Earth, but I do not know how to fly this Space Pusher 2000.
You don't need to. Ruby and I can fly you into space. Then you can take over and fly home with the remaining Fleeble Flubble juice.
That is the sound I make when I'm very, very, very happy.
Prepare for blast off.
All systems are go. 1, blast off! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.